All right, boys, I'm recapping how I caught 31 points today. 630 per account. About to run you through what I thought coming into the market and how I came about this situation. So 1.23 RR. I low-key wanted to hold this to this one hour unfilled, but I've been getting stopped out of break even a lot lately. Been stopped in profit, so I was just like, take my piece of the pie, get out of the market, don't be greedy. Just I took this dub today. So coming into the morning, actually hold on, get the low executions going. Here we go. Entered after we inverse this 3-minute TP at the high. Pretty simple. But coming into the morning, we had on the higher time. So I originally hop on the higher time frames. So we have this fat SMT, and we have all these draws higher that are very prominent. I mean, this 1 hour, there was an original 1 hour unfilled that looked good, and then this 1 hour internal high, and then we have previous day high, and then we have log that obviously this whole thing wants to be filled at some point. So coming into the morning, I was sort of bullish in a way, but obviously I don't care. I'll take a long or a short, whatever the best setup presents itself. So we open a 15-minute at open, and we're trading inside of this 15-minute. After we see this closure of this 15-minute, hold on, let me take this executions off. After we see this closure on the 15-minute, this really tells me that we want to go higher. Like, I'm pretty confident that we want to go higher after this. Then we open this gap. Then I'm very confident we want to go higher. So we start trading into this gap. We're respecting it, but we're just chopping, really. We're not doing much inside of it. Like right here, you can see this, all of this. We're not doing much here. We're just kind of chopping inside of it, whatever. Then we inverse this 5-minute here, and this I did not love to see at all. This actually I did not like to see at all, but we were still respecting the 15-minute. So I mean, the higher time frame means everything here. And we have obviously this fat SMT at this low. Respecting the 15-minute. I'm just looking for a continuation longs here. And obviously I'm not going to enter in this whole chop right here. But once I see us start displacing, and I see this gap that is left here, this 3-minute gap, this tells me if this is my condition here, really. If we inverse this gap, I'm in there to this high, because there's no reason that we should go lower if we inverse this gap. And then obviously this could have genuinely been your break even. This could have been your break even, and you could have held to this 1 hour gap. That would have looked nice too. I just wanted to take my money in the market and get out, because of how I've been trading lately and just getting break even and stopped when I'm in floating profits. So I just want to get my money and get out. But overall, yeah, break even there, hold to the high. It looked great. My whole reason I took this trade is I love how we have this SMT, we have all these draws higher, and we trade into the 15-minute, respect it with speed here. Obviously, we're chopping here. Once we get some sort of volatility right here and speed, close above this 3-minute gap with the high resting right there, I'm taking that. I'm taking my money and getting out of the market. So that was my recap for how I caught 31 and a half, I think. 31 points. I think it was more like 31 and a half, but whatever. 31 points trading NQ today. Thank you, boys. Have a good day, boys.